Throughout Cedar Falls history, the Main Street corridor has shaped the way we've traveled through our community. From our early days as a milling and industrial center to our later growth alongside the university, to the vibrant city we are today, Main Street has reflected our growth. It evolved from an unpaved thoroughfare to a brick-paved street. It was home to the city's first trolley route, and it eventually became the four-lane facility we know today. In keeping with this tradition of progress, it's time to begin a new chapter in Main Street's development. The current project will stretch from Searly Boulevard to 6th Street and include the addition of roundabouts at the intersections with Searly, 18th Street, and 12th Street. In addition to these intersection changes, a gateway feature will be added near 7th Street. The gateway will serve as a visual welcome to visitors coming to the historic Main Street Business District. Finally, a new traffic signal will be added at 6th Street. Main Street will be reduced from 4 lanes to 3, with 1 travel lane in each direction and a turn lane in the center. There will be new sidewalks on both sides, on-street bike lanes will be added, and bus stops will be improved. Underneath all of these visible improvements, storm sewer, sanitary sewer, and water main utilities will be upgraded. The project will improve pavement conditions along Main Street and lower ongoing upkeep costs associated with the corridor. But more importantly, it will enhance the safety of our citizens, regardless of the mode of transportation they use to traverse the corridor. In addition, the improvements on Main Street will improve traffic flow, provide bicycle and pedestrian mobility, and help support economic growth and revitalization of the areas adjacent to the project. Planned improvements are drawn from a traffic study completed in 2017, which noted that, since the completion of Iowa 58, traffic volumes along Main Street have held steady around 10,000 vehicles per day, which can be adequately served with a 3-lane road. The lane reduction will calm traffic, improving safety and access for all users. In addition, converting the Searly, 18th Street, and 12th Street intersections to roundabouts may reduce overall crashes by as much as 35%. In recognition of these safety benefits, this project has been awarded a Traffic Safety Improvement Grant from the Iowa DOT. To adhere to the city's Complete Streets policy, improvements will include 2 12-foot wide travel lanes, a 14-foot wide turn lane in the center of the road, 6-foot wide on-street bike lanes, 5-foot wide sidewalks on both sides of the street, and pavement bump outs between 12th Street and 6th Street to allow for on-street parking on Sundays for churches located along this stretch of the corridor. Finally, a total of 9 bus stops will be designated within the corridor, with 4 receiving new bus shelters. 3 new roundabouts will be included at Searly Boulevard, 18th Street, and 12th Street. These roundabouts will be consistent with one another. All 3 will be single lane, with a splitter island on the approach legs to help slow traffic and act as a refuge for pedestrians. Searly Boulevard serves as a gateway and welcome point for students and visitors to the University of Northern Iowa. This is symbolized by elements within the roundabout, including a clock tower feature with a campanile-inspired top. In addition, a box culvert will be added near the roundabout. The 18th Street roundabout will have a smaller central island than the others, allowing for a wider truck apron to accommodate oversized vehicles. In addition to the roundabouts, retaining walls will be added as needed along the corridor. A new mid-block crossing will also be added between 8th Street and 9th Street. To enhance safety at this crossing, the city will install a pedestrian-actuated rectangular rapid flashing beacon, or RRFB. The RRFB is part of the crosswalk sign and is located beneath the traditional yellow diamond. The signal is only activated when pedestrians are crossing and includes high-frequency flashing lights with an alternating pattern. RRFBs can increase motorist yielding rates up to 98% and are one of the FHWA's proven safety countermeasures. To create a uniform aesthetic along the corridor, existing streetlights will be updated and new intersection lighting installed in order to meet regulatory and design standards. Landscaping, streetscaping, and features in the center of each roundabout will be included, along with the new gateway to the historic district. Final design for the project will be completed and submitted to the Iowa DOT this year, with project bidding anticipated before the end of 2022. Construction of the project is scheduled to begin in the spring of 2023 and is expected to run through the 2023, 2024, and 2025 construction seasons. Information about the project and updates to the timeline can be found at the project website. On the right-hand side of the homepage, you can submit questions or comments about the work and sign up for project update notifications. The reconstruction of Main Street mirrors Cedar Falls' growth, providing a safe, secure, and efficient way to move our community into the future.